Candiani denim is one of the most well established and greenest denim mills in the world. Wow, that's a good information. Good to know. Good to know. Alright, so what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today is another unboxing, special unboxing, wherein this particular sneaker was under the radar most of the sneakerhead, but this sneaker particularly were dropped on the Nike.com. So I'm happy that I cop of this one. So I got this information from the Discord that this one is some kind of particular sneaker that kind of be a little bit low-key, something like that. But in regards for this, some kind of Candiani denim is kind of there's something special, probably made in Italy. Okay, alright, enough with the suspense. Okay, so let's take them up, unbox them up. Okay, so I'm not gonna make a lot of noise so that I could do ASMR unboxing. Ooh, that's weird. Okay, well, you know what? We're just gonna take them out of the box. Second. Shh. And the last one. Let's take a look at this. Some kind of different box from this particular sneaker. And it looks like the off-white something, right? And the swoosh right there, it was cut off plain brown, just like the one that the off-white vibe that has some kind of written here. This one is the Air Max 95, and take a look at those. Boom, nice, right? Take a look at those. Packaging wise, and also includes some kind of, what do you call this? Show bag or something? I don't know. It comes with this design of a lot of scissors. Different kind of design of scissors. Okay. Let's take them out. Ooh. Wow, they are better in hands. We got here the Air Max 95, and they call it, it's in a collaboration of Nike and Denim. Denim or Denham. It's not denim, okay? It's not D-E-N-I-M, denim. It's Denham. Oh, is that how you pronounce it? Denim. Okay, so focus. If it's right there, okay. So this one is the Air Max 95 denim, black and Volt Summit white. And we got here the size 11, and the retail is 180. So a little bit knowledge about denim is Denham was founded in Amsterdam, the Netherlands, in 2008 by English jean maker Jason Denham, who was obsessed with creating a premium quality denim. The founder of this denim jeans, who is a jean maker, who is really, he said, obsessed or something, and that's why they created this collaboration of first one is this one, Air Max 95. It comes with this particular Candiani denim. It says Candiani denim. It is really premium denim. Wow, can't believe this one is not listed in the sneakers app, and I'm glad it didn't show up in the sneakers app. So this one comes with the different type of denim all over here. So as you can see right there, take a look around. The top of the toe box right here is much more like premium denim. So wow, really amazed me. Also, it comes with the classic OG colorway of the Vibe OG Air Max 95. It's just the denim type, and it comes the bold colorway on this top of the laces, eyelets, and it comes with some kind of rubberish-ish lace, and also with a little bit more details on the lacelet or something you call that. A lot of good design that they put in here. Quality of the denim on point, especially it is that's gonna be my favorite word of the week, Candiani denim. Ooh. Good to know. Okay, just like all term regarding denim type, that is some kind of sustainability denim that it will get better the more you wear it. Next one. So we have here, we got lucky, we got two of personal pair because we have 11 and a half and we have size 10 and a half. Boom. Same type of covering. Same thing going on, that they have some covering of the shoe with the design of the scissor. Okay. All right. So let's take him out. Boom. Wow. Wow. It is really well executed on this particular shoes. We have here the Air Max 90 Infrared Denim. Okay, that's it. Retail is 160. So same thing that they put on this one, which is the Candiani denim. Looks like 4 type different color of the denim. 1, 2, 3, and 4 different 4 type of denim, which is really cool. And this one, it's really amazing color, perfect. Ooh. Oh, it comes also with this rubberish-ish lace. It's just the classic OG infrared type-ish, but they executed really well. I'm really appreciating different shoes. It has some different information, a different type of material that they put on, and also this jean maker. Kudos to Jason Dunham, who is really obsessed with denim, who is trying to collaborate with the Nike. I'm glad that it put a lot of hype on this type of sneakers so that I could buy for personal and not just for retail. I mean for resale. I really like this one. What do you think? Which one is better? Let's talk about the price on this one. Air Max 90 Infrared fluctuates more higher on the website StockX before the release, and it fluctuates deep down a little bit when some people receive their stuff. And also I saw someone, a blogger, who got it from the outlet. So someone, he tried to they did return one of this infrared, and the blogger got it on their outlet. So lucky for him, he got it for additional 30% maybe. But for the collection wise, this is really good. Especially if you are some kind of type of infrared, I mean denim dude, obsessed with denim. This could be either you could use in fall or summer, especially that type of leather. You can't go wrong on those. So what do you think about this one? We got the Air Max 90 and Air Max 95 denim. What do you think overall on this type of collaboration? So with that said, I hope you like this video today, and I hope you like this unboxing of the collaboration of Nike and denim. And with that said, thank you again. And if you really like it, can you please leave a thumbs up? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.